Introduction. This hadith highlights the virtues and rewards associated with participating in battles for the cause of Allah. It reflects the deep commitment and faith required to engage in such acts purely for the sake of Allah and His Messenger. The hadith states that Bukhari. Hadith number 36. Translation. Narrated. Abu Huraira, R.A. The Prophet said, "The person who participates in holy battles in Allah's cause, and nothing compels him to do so except belief in Allah and His apostles, will be recompensed by Allah, either with a reward, or booty if he survives, or will be admitted to paradise if he is killed in the battle as a martyr. Had I not found it difficult for my followers, then I would not remain behind any Sariyah going for jihad. And I would have loved to be martyred in Allah's cause and then made alive. And then martyred and then made alive. And then again martyred in His cause." Summary *. Prophet Muhammad emphasizes the significance of participating in holy battles out of pure faith and devotion to Allah and His Messenger. Those who engage in such battles will be rewarded in one of ways. 1. A reward and booty if they survive. 2. Admission to paradise if they are martyred. The Prophet expressed his own desire to participate in such battles and be martyred repeatedly, but he refrained from doing so to avoid hardship for his followers.